channel. In today's video I will be cooking collard greens. So while wait guys, let's get started. So here my lovelies, the ingredients are 3 packs collard greens already washed, 2 pounds smoked turkey drumstick, 3 tablespoons oil, 2 tablespoons minced garlic, 2 tablespoons white sugar or you can use brown sugar, red bell pepper, 1 onion, 1 teaspoon bouillon, chicken stock, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon total seasoning, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and some black pepper. So now I will take the meat over to the sink guys for a wash. So I'll go ahead guys and clean the meat. Don't need all this guys. If you don't get rid of this guys, all this will be floating on top of the water and we don't want to see all this guys. Now let's add to the water. So now I will add the meat to the water. A 1/4 teaspoon salt, some onion, garlic, and some onion powder. Cook and mid-heat until tender. So now that the meat is cooking guys, I will do a quick demo on how to remove the stalk from the greens. So here I have this one. I will fold over like this, lay flat and use a knife. There we go guys. Stock. Now I'll stack them on top of each other guys. So now I will fold them over like this. And cut. Not too thin and not too thick. Awesome. So here I have some vinegar and salt. So let's dissolve. I will now add all the greens. Because even though I washed them 3 times guys, the greens are very dirty. so you need to get them clean. So now I will add some water. So now let's sit for 30 minutes before rinsing. This will allow all the dirt and bugs and anything that is attached to the greens, guys. We'll just get rid of all that dirt and grams and bugs. So here we go, guys. Let's drain the water from the greens. The sink is clean, guys, so I will go ahead and turn the greens over. All fresh and green and beautiful. Here we go, guys, fresh and beautiful. Now I will go ahead and cut my red bell pepper, guys. I will cut them in small slices and then this way. So guys, I hope you love watching this video as much as I love to cook. So now I will go ahead and check on the meat, guys. Oh, beautiful, guys. So now the meat is tender enough, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful. So now I will remove it from the broth. So now I will just set it aside, guys, and get them to cool. So beautiful, guys. I don't like these fatty pieces, guys, so I will remove it from the plate. So red and beautiful. Don't want all that rubbery stuff, guys. This is what we want. So let's go back over to the stove. Now I will add the oil and mid-heat. Add the veggies. So beautiful, guys. The garlic. This will bring so much flavor, guys. That's what we want. You want the food to be tasty, delicious. Now I will go ahead and add the meat. This is going to be so delicious, guys. So delicious. Love me some greens, guys, with all the flavors. Look at all this, guys. So beautiful. I can smell the flavors, guys. I can smell the flavors. I wish you could smell it too. So now I will go ahead and add some greens on top, guys. This might seem like a lot, guys, but it will shrink down to just about like nothing. So the more the better. Here we go, guys. This is the first set and it's going down. Smelling so good, guys. So good. Love me some greens. This is the second. Putting some love in the greens, guys. Some love. Put some love in the cooking. Let's take another stir, guys. It's getting there beautifully, guys. This is the last set of greens, guys. The last set of greens. If you're cooking for a big family, make sure you have enough greens, because like you can see, it shrinks right down. So we are still on mid-heat, guys. So now that I'm getting ready to add the chicken stock, guys, you can now reduce your heat from mid to low. Here we go, guys. A tablespoon garlic powder. A tablespoon total season, 2 tablespoons sugar, a quarter teaspoon black pepper, or you can use the red pepper, guys. I prefer to just add a small amount of black pepper to mine. Tablespoon apple cider vinegar. This is going to be so delicious, guys. And a teaspoon of bouillon. This is going to be so delicious, guys. Love me some greens. Beautiful, guys. This will add so much flavor to the water. Now let's cover and cook for 45 minutes. Here we go, guys. Beautifully done. The greens are ready, guys. All this juice, guys, rich and beautiful. So let me know what you think, guys, by leaving me a thumbs up, leaving me a comment, like, share, and subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.